So for the first row of our snowflake, what we're gonna do, we're gonna chain. I have already one chain. I made the magic ring. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another 2 chains because I need 3 chains as a start. And these 3 chains will work as a double crochet. So this is counting as our double crochet. Okay, so hold your 2 yarn like this because you need to take this inside to make it nicer and secure. So I have my 3 chains will be as a double crochet, and then I'm gonna yarn over and just go inside the magic ring just like that. Okay, just hold it nicely just like this, and then I'm gonna make a double crochet. So I yarn over, and again yarn over from through 2, yarn over through 2. So now I have a set of 2 double crochet. This one is a double crochet as well. Okay, take a little bit of the yarn out because I need kind of a free. Okay, you work always from inside. It would be easier for you to work instead of working from outside. So I have, where is it? So I'm just freeing some yarn. Will be better for me. So let's continue. So now I have my 2 double crochet, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 2, so 1 and 2, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another 2 double crochet inside the ring. So I'm gonna make another 1. Okay, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over, just go through the ring and grab the yarn, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So I have my 2 double crochet. So I have 1, 2 sets. So I need 6 sets of this 2 double crochet. I have 1, 2, and again I'm gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and again 1. This is the first double crochet. Again, yarn over, go inside, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Have 1, 2, 3. And if you feel it's a little bit wider and you can control it, you can make it a little bit smaller so you can hold it nicely and work. And again, I'm gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and again yarn over, go through the magic ring, grab the yarn, go through 2, go through 2, again, go through 2, go through 2. I have 4 sets, 1, 2 chains. Again, first double crochet and just make it a little bit smaller. Second double crochet. So I have 5, another 2 chains. We need 6, so this is the last set. So 1 double crochet and the next double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 sets of 2 double crochet, and then I'm gonna chain another 2 because there's 2 chains between each 2 double crochet. I need 2 between this one and this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna just grab this tail. You can see the magic ring is really wide, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab and pull very nicely, and as I pull, as you can see, it closed and becomes so beautiful, and it's really nice. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just count 1, 2, and here on the second chain, I'm gonna go in here, okay, just here, and make a slip stitch. And slip stitch is really easy. You just go in this chain again. I'm gonna count 1, 2. And this next, in the second one, I'm gonna go in here and just grab the yarn from this one here and from this one as well. So this is a slip stitch. So as you can see, this is the basic of our snowflake. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I need 6 spikes. I'm gonna show you here how it looks like. Just like that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the basic to have my spikes on the snowflakes later on when we work. So this is the part that we work on right now. So let's go to the next part, which is this small spaces to make it, to build up our snowflakes. So let's get into it.